How to activate Westfield gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily activate your Westfield gift card. So first open up any browser and search for Westfield gift card redeem, and then go to this website. Then here click on the Westfield logo, and then here in the top right side you can see account, or you can see login. So sign up and login. So I have already logged in here, and once you are also logged in, here you have to click on these three lines the top left side. Then here go to the gift cards, click on it. Then here click on the gift card drop down menu, and then from here click on activate card and wait for a few seconds. And once it's loaded, scroll down and here enter the security confirmation code. You can click on this question if you don't know what's that security confirmation code, and then here enter the reference card number. And then if you want to receive Westfield marketing offers, check this box, and after you have entered this code, click this and then click on enable my card, and your card will be activated. So this is how you can activate your Westfield gift card. Thanks for watching.